But now it is time for us to move towards the exclusive fireside chat with Solitaire on the theme, how Solitaire is shaping the future of classrooms and boardrooms. This session will offer deep insights into how AI-powered interactive display solutions from Solitaire are transforming the way classrooms engage and how boardrooms collaborate, bridging the gap between learning, leadership, and intelligent decision making. Solitaire is a leading Indian brand in interactive flat panel displays and accessories, proudly owned by Supertron Electronics, backed by over 3 decades of expertise across IT, AV, office automation, and networking. Solitaire seamlessly blends experience with innovation to deliver world-class smart classroom solutions and advanced business collaboration technologies. Now, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to welcome Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, the editor and publisher of DT, who will be moderating this session. And with him, we will be having Dr. Ramya Chatterjee, Chief of Solitaire Brand Business and Director and CEO, ProIntech Global Innovations. Dr. Chatterjee brings a unique perception on how AI is redefining both classrooms and boardrooms in today's connected world. And on that note, I would request everybody to please put your hands together for the two minds that we have here on the stage.
So this is very interesting. We all know education में कितना बदलाव आया है और वो टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से आया, हम सब जानते हैं, आप लोग मुझसे ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी जानते हो और ये फायरसाइड चैट मैंने प्रपोज किया था when we were talking कि it's a war night but we are concluding this year and 2025 खत्म होने वाला, you have lot of story to share with us कि कैसे हमने जो एजुकेशन है और जो बोर्ड रूम है जहाँ कम्युनिकेशन का तरीका बदला है उसके ऊपर we can discuss something. So thank you so much for accepting the invite, Ramesh sir. Please have a seat. So I know that we have already discussed a few months ago, but that was a different topic, a different fireside topic. But today we have to talk about, how you guys are changing the way, educations are being now, adopted across India. So are you ready for this fireside chat, sir?
Yeah, absolutely ready. Thank you very much for inviting me for this first session. Thank you. Yeah, DT Award Night. I mean, there are many award nights in the nation, so DT Award Night is always a special, right? People are whole lot of energy, positive vibe. So, yep, awesome.
Thank you so much, sir. I'll be sharing with you. Meanwhile, they are bringing up. Working. Okay. Thank you. So, tell me in brief about brand Solitaire. I know that a lot of people know about brand Solitaire and किन्हीं को अभी पहली बार दिखा होगा कि कुछ पार्टनर्स भी हैं या हम लाइव भी देख रहे हैं this is being streamed across. So can we start the brand Solitaire? We know that Supertron से association है but बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं होगा, so can you clear about that?
Yeah, so Supertron, probably each one of you in this forum know about Supertron, a 30 years old legacy in the space of IT, AV and networking, right? So Supertron entered into the manufacturing space around 2.5 years back. We have got our factory in Greater Noida, and we do produce 3 product lines: interactive flat panel, OPS computer, a complete range of video conferencing products. So Solitaire is the brand owned by Supertron Electronics, and I'm extremely happy to say that this is one of the fastest growing brand in IFPD and UC space in this country. Last year our business grew by almost 301%. More than 25,000 classrooms in this country is currently powered by Solitaire products. And yeah, we are growing. God is kind to us. Thanks.
That's great. Means, absolutely you're talking about business, okay, and the kind of revolution you are bringing to Indian market, Indian education system. But this is really a, innovation क्योंकि हम लोगों के टाइम में पढ़ाई का तरीका कुछ और था और आप जो आज introduce कर रहे हो, adopt कर रहे हो, which is really innovation. I'll just move to my next query because we are sitting at almost end of our calendar year, and you have a lot of story. Means how you started in January. It's almost 12 months. You have already done the great business across India. So can you brief about that?
Sure, very interesting question. Thank you. See, let me, for all of you who are not aware about Solitaire, let me tell you something about that first, and after that I'll address your question. See, Solitaire is a very much purpose-driven brand. So we have got 2 specific purpose for which we exist in this in the world, right? So we solve two problems in this world. One, we do provide in-classroom teaching instruments or teaching equipments to the teacher to enhance overall learning outcomes at the classroom. At the same time, we do provide a series of unified communication product and collaboration products in the meeting room to enhance meeting room productivity. In layman's language, so as I mentioned, like interactive whiteboard, video conferencing camera, and OPS computer we produce. 2025, coming back to your question, 2025 was actually awesome year for us because at the beginning of this year, in the month of January, we shifted our factory. So initially we got two factories, one in Dadri and one was in Noida. So we consolidated these two factories together and shifted to Greater Noida new factory in Kasna, almost 45,000 square foot area with yearly production, monthly production capacity is close to 3,000 odd panel, right? So that was one big landmark. Second, in the development side, in this year, in 2025, we launched our AI software. It's called Digital Canvas Pro. A very powerful software which is integrated inside our panel to make this panel an AI panel. What this software does, it is actually a kind of teaching tool for the teachers, and it makes the teacher's life easy. We, being a technology product company, strongly believe like teachers are superhero and they are building the nation, right? So it's our responsibility to provide them comfort, ease, and technology so that we can bring simplicity inside the classroom. And our AI-powered software, Digital Canvas Pro, exactly does that, right? So this particular software also we launched in this year. So we started Solitaire brand business way back in 2023, month of April. So when we started, Supertron has got a strong network, has got its own sales and support network. So we started with our own support team. In 2025, when our business grew almost by 300% last year, we find a necessity of strengthen our service ecosystem. So what we did, we appointed a professional authorized service provider at the back end, by virtue of which today, as on today, we have got installation capability in 600 plus cities, 150 service center across the nation, 25 dedicated service support. Because for a strong and fast growth of any brand, what is important is the strong service backbone. And we strongly believe in that, and that is the reason this year was a kind of game-changing moment for us, because currently we have one of the strongest service backbone we have in the country for this interactive flat panel space. So this is a three strong landmark of this year. And overall, yeah, we are growing. This year we are growing almost 2x faster than the market. In fact, last quarter, if you see, there is a dip in the business for the interactive flat panel because a whole lot of government regulatory changes. So the HSN code of the product changed from X to Y, so that impacted some price hike, applicable duty. Then there was a GST change, and once again, restructuring of the duty structure. So, business was little dull for last 2 quarters. If I go by the data, the overall component import impacted by almost 54%. So, having said that, our business grew. So that in the dull period also we grew around 22% last quarter. So overall, yeah, we are rocking.
That's great to know an Indian company is rocking in this industry. Let's congratulate for the launch of a AI-powered software which is powering जो teacher है उनको power कर रहा है. Teacher के बारे में भी आप सोच रहे हैं because they need such kind of tools to be, as per the international level पे हम standard अपने आप को बना सके. Thank you so much for sharing this great news with us. And you talked about the growth despite the challenges. सबको पता है GST का issue हुआ तो बहुत सारी चीजें आई थी, but you grew more than 50% this year. And so what are the reason you grew with that speed while we can see the other competitors, other brand were struggling in getting those kind of revenue? What were the reason?
Well, there are actually multiple parameters. Like for any OEM to grow and scale fast, in my opinion, there are 5 factors which works. One, a strong product portfolio, latest technology, offering N+1 product in the market, a strong service network, a passionate team, and of course, a strong software as far as our product portfolio is concerned, availability of stock, a very responsive team. Combining all these parameters together, and most importantly for us, a strong network of Supertron, who is our parent, the owner of the brand. So combining all these 5-6 parameters together, probably we are growing faster than the market growth. Yeah.
It's great to know about because you have given more power to teacher because whatever they are creating is being stored and now being used for the further teachings also. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
So it's a platform is means they can monetize this platform.
Not exactly. See what happens, like as I mentioned, like suppose you are a physics teacher. So you do not need a ready-made content to teach Newton's law to the students. If you know your subject line, what you need is a platform. A good teachers know how to teach. What they need is a platform. So where they can create their own content. So you create your content, create a repository for the school, and they can probably file a patent, and that can become their own asset. And the students, offline, online, can refer to that content and upgrade yourself. Like you teach something, you save it. Probably the students want to recap when they're back home. You can do that because you can save everything what you do in our platform. You can refer offline as well. Yeah.
Great. So this is a great example. You know how AI is changing the way we are learning today. हम लोगों के टाइम में जो टीचर्स बहुत सारे ऐसे हमारे लाइफ में भी टीचर्स रहे होंगे जिन्होंने शॉर्टकट्स बताया होगा कि इसको ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, चाहे अपना उनका फॉर्मूला होता था किसी भी चीज़ को लर्न कराने के लिए, बट वो वैनिश हो जाता था. बट अभी के टाइम में इफ एनी टीचर हैज़ अ यूनिक वे एंड यूनिक मेथड है, उसको हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं फर्दर फॉर द मोर रीचिंग टू द मोर पार्ट ऑफ कंट्री. So thank you. You honestly shared all about the Solitaire. I'm sure that these are very small conversation we are having here. Sir is here, his team is here, so we can engage further. But before you step down, I have some this is a real fireside chat for you.
Okay.
So you'll have to answer in very crisp and one line.
Okay.
So what is the definition of brand to you? Just one line definition, Solitaire.
The definition of brand or definition of brand Solitaire?
What is the definition of brand to you? Yes.
To me, the definition of brand is like brand is something for which the customer is ready to pay price premium. That is brand.
Okay, that's good. And so most important parameter to scale a brand, how do you scale?
For more important parameter to scale a brand, right product, right price point, right mix of product value and price, solid team, passionate team, and solid service infrastructure. Yeah, these are the parameters.
Yeah, and you have all of them.
Yep.
Fortunate. Thanks. So innovation or execution, you are not allowed to say both. What do you like?
Of course, execution.
That's great. So one mantra that drove or motivated you to bring brand Solitaire from zero to this level in interactive flat panel space in just 2.5 years.
Well, so this is the philosophy of my life. I learned it, some of the MNC I've worked with. I strongly believe in three pillars of growth of anything. Back to basic, down to details, execution to excellence. I think this is the pillar basis which the Solitaire is growing, and it will keep on rocking.
Right. So what are the three fundamental philosophy of your growth story? You took.
So this is the answer of this. I mean, back to basics, down to
Okay.
details, and execution to
I'm
excellence.
just
Yeah.
Overloading the queries, okay. So Solitaire stands for product or purpose?
Solitaire is a purpose-driven brand.
That's true. Indian brand or global mindset?
Indian brand.
AI in classrooms, hype or necessity?
Absolute necessity.
Channel-led or direct-led growth? How do you see?
100% channel-led.
Right. Price-driven or value-driven buying?
200% value-driven.
That's great.
Solitaire is not a cheap product. It's a product with right mix of product value and price.
That's true. Customer delight or cost efficiency?
Customer reliability.
Short-term sales or long-term brand?
Long-term brand.
That's right. Culture of Team Solitaire. You have a very young team, I have seen.
See, the culture is like, this is a culture of Solitaire, this is culture of Supertron as a company. We are professionally managed company, but we are connected through emotions. That's our strength.
That's very emotional answer, sir. So one line, this is the last one, okay? One line that defines Solitaire.
Empowering collaboration, amplifying impact.
Thank you so much, sir, for answering all my queries. You are being at the fireside chat. Thank you so much for answering. You are
Thank
too
you.
honest to us. Thank you.
Thank you very much.